Hi, this is Pritam, and in this video, I will show you how you can get solar appointments on Autopilot. Okay, so there are four steps involved in this process. First of all, we will get homeowner data from DealMachine.com. Okay, so DealMachine.com, the minimal charges is $99 per month for 10,000 single family homeowner data. Okay, this is the first step. And then step two, we will call all the leads with the help of AI agent in RetellAI.com. This is step two, and I will show you everything in a bit. In step three, we will buy a phone number on Twilio.com, which is $1.25 one time price. Okay. And there are other charges also, 0.013 per minute dollar outgoing call. Okay, so these are the cost involved for calling. And step 4 is book appointments by carl.com. So carl.com will book appointment, we will integrate inside retailai.com. Okay, and if you want to automate everything, you can use Zapier or make.com. But let me show you how it looks. So first step is getting homeowner data. So this is the website dealmachine.com. You have to sign up with dealmachine.com, and there are 7-day trial inside that dealmachine.com, and you can filter the data like single family home, rented home. As you are selling solar, you don't need rented home data. So s- filter that and get the single family homeowner data. So this is the first step. And now go back to second step. After getting the data, you have to upload that inside Retail AI, and you can see here you have to create an agent like this. Create an agent, single prompt agent, and you have to upload the script like this. The agent will ask the qualification question like, are you a homeowner, how much your electric bill, what is your credit score, everything. And you have to select a voice like this. And after selecting the voice, you have to connect your calendar here. Let me show you. This is the calendar. You can see book appointment. This is my API key and event ID for calendar. You can get this ID and API key from cal.com here. This is carl.com, and this is the calendar ID on top inside the URL, and you can get the API key from settings and API key here. API key. Okay, you have to create a new one. I already created it. So you have to create it, and after creating, you can get that. So you have to do two function like for booking, book appointment and check calendar availability and put the cal.com ID and API key. Okay. And you have to create a function for end call also. You can see only use this function if you are 100% sure and the customer is happy to end the call. You have to write this. Okay. And that's it, I guess. Yeah, everything is fine. You don't have to change anything. Yeah, everything is okay. And that's it. If you want like this script and everything, you can book a call with me. I will put the link in the description, and you will good to go, and you can get unlimited appointments from AI, you don't have to dial like back to back, or you don't have to door knock on hot summer. Okay. So use AI or you will be broke forever. So use AI to get appointments back to back. Okay. So that is the thing. If you want to implement everything inside your business and get solar appointments on autopilot, then you can book a call with me and I will help you to set up everything. Okay. And you can get solar appointments on autopilot.